My name is Uchenna Itam. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Art and Art History here at Hunter. And here is my What I Wish I'd Known Before I Started Teaching at Hunter presentation. So first I want to say welcome to Hunter College. Congratulations. This is a wonderful community and I look forward to meeting you and engaging with you in real life. Again, I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Art and Art History, and I've been teaching here since fall 2022. Um, and it's been great. And this is going to be a highly parent edition presentation. So these are the things that I wish I had known before, maybe like the minute I signed my paperwork. So this is a little bit late, but who knows? Next year you can, take this into account. Who knows? Whatever. So one, assert, right? You've already achieved this amazing accomplishment of tapping into this amazing resource here at Hunter College, right? We have online and in-person weekly writing groups, which has been really great for me to calendar out my writing time and balance my teaching, service, research responsibilities. Same with the online writing retreats. So being able to have 3, 5, 7, even 12 weeks of community writing together online, checking in, that has been really supportive. The professional training and opportunities. In my mind, I have a calendar reminder because they're going to be headshots, coming up. And my headshot is, I don't know, 10, 11 years old. So I'm excited about that. And then again, community, right? Like we get to talk to each other. We get to figure out what works, what doesn't work in our classroom. And also just remember that we're human beings too, right? Not just teachers. Okay, this is a big one that I wish I had known. There's a children's learning center. There is. There is. It is on campus. It is in Hunter North. And it offers high quality childcare for the Hunter College community. And so this is a resource that's not just for us as faculty and staff, but also for your students. So if you notice that maybe one of your students needs support in this area, this is an amazing resource, right? There's preschool ages 2 to 6, after school 6 to 12, amazing. Now, I did not know this. And I am based very far away. I am in Brooklyn in Flatbush, so I'm over an hour away. But this is something that when I was deciding where I would base my family, I would have taken into more consideration had I known it were a resource. Also, so moving up, like thinking in the future, the Hunter College campus schools. Who knew, right? I did not know. But let me tell you, as an art historian, a lot of the artists that I work with are New York based, and so many of them went to the Hunter College campus schools. And they are critical thinkers, they are driven, they're well read. It's amazing, right? Kindergarten through 6th grade, 7th to 12th grade, it is publicly funded. And this is the key thing to know. Each school has only one application point, and it does not match the NYC DOE. And it is only kindergarten and 7th grade. So if you are planning your family, and this is something that you want to think about, that's something to think about. And it's on the Upper East Side, 93rd or 94th or something. So not a crazy commute for when you're teaching at Hunter College. Okay, this is so basic, but I did not know about Dean's Hour until I'm a Senate member for Art and Art History. I did not know about Dean's Hour until I joined a calendar committee where we were figuring out the bell schedule. I had no idea there was such thing as a bell schedule. I had no idea because, and also art history does things differently, so that's another reason why I didn't know. But Dean's Hour is scheduled on Wednesdays from 1:10 to 3 p.m. It is a time block. It is a time block. I'm going to say it again. It is a time block, right? So you can use it to support your students as you see fit. For instance, this semester, I am experimenting with on the times that we don't have our department meeting during that Dean's Hour time, having office hours, like an extra office hour block, right? So that way it's just there. again, time block, right? I just know it's there. If no one signs up for it, it's fine. I have things to do, but it's there. The fitness center. Okay. This I have visited. I have not used it, but this is one of my goals for the semester. There's a fitness center. It is located on the B2 level. There's also a pool, people, a pool. Anyway, but it's open to us. We can use it. I understand you might not want to go down and work out with your students, and most students don't use it. Also, you can easily just pop on a treadmill 20 minutes after lunch. You need a little break. You have a break between meetings, office hours, or whatever. You're on your way out the building. Great reset, right? Pop down, get on that treadmill, maybe do some emails, maybe not, right? Maybe just listen to some music and then head on out. Why not? So these are my things. These are my advices. These are things I wish I'd known. I welcome any questions.